Hello bakers! Today we are decorating succulent geometric floral-y cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Design it, 3D print it, bake it. Now it's time to decorate. Outline then flood. Paint the geometric cookie edges with gold. I use luster dust mixed with Everclear. I found the luster dust at a local cake store. Also, this isn't the best brush to use. I need a smaller one for the details, but this is what I have, and I'm still learning to paint cookies. The leaves are the fun part. I just kind of randomly filled the space with the leaves and the vine and played around until it looked kind of nice. There's a great video on how to do succulents on YouTube. I'll link it below. I love this cookie artist. She is amazing and her videos are so helpful. I use an egg white royal icing, and my counts are typically 15 for the outline and a 10 for the floods. If you are new to cookie decorating and are like, what is she talking about? No worries, I have a video for my cookie dough and royal icing recipe with a counting guide video. The links are below. The plant style cookie was fun. I love doing wet on wet to get this aloe vera look. For the plat cookie, I was a little lost on where to make these lines, but then I realized it's all good because the flowers and the leaves will cover up the edges. Just throw in some corners and it works out fine. As for the icing colors, I had some leftover greens, then I made bluish, darkish green with a thick consistency to get these points to stick out. I'm still learning how to use tips on my royal icing bag, so I feel like I'm kind of a novice when it comes to leaves and florals, but these were pretty easy and I had a lot of fun with it. On this long diamond style cookie, I forgot to paint the lines before adding the leaves. You learn more from your mistakes than your successes. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. The links for these free 3D cookie cutter files are below. Print your own cutters and save some money. All my cookie cutter files are free! Shout out to Porterhawk on Twitch. She is a wonderful food and drink streamer and is so fun to chat and cook with.
That's better. That's better. Look at that. Look at that.
Thank you for watching.